Here comes Cecil the Snail.
As you've probably guessed, snails like Cecil are very slow movers. In fact, they are one of the slowest creatures on Earth.
Oh, poor you, Cecil. You really don't look well at all. A little slime is good for a snail like Cecil, as it helps them to move as well as protect them from the sun. But this is just too much slime. It means Cecil can't climb walls. He's just too slippery. I think Cecil may be suffering from a cold. I know how to make you feel better, Cecil, but we're going to need a bit of help from our friend Shane the koala. Robbo, do you remember Shane was eating eucalyptus leaves before? The oil from eucalyptus leaves can help with runny noses and coughs when you have a cold and should help our friend Cecil here.
I think Shane is just leaving the pet rescue centre. I'll go and find him.
Thank you so much for popping back, Shane. Now, Cecil, breathe in some of that precious eucalyptus oil and you'll start feeling better. Chili, the emperor penguin.
Emperor penguins live in a place called Antarctica, near the South Pole. Antarctica is so cold, the ground is made of snow and ice.
Oh dear, Chili, you look under the weather. Let me take your temperature with my thermometer.
Thermometers are used by vets and doctors to take the temperature of your body. The higher the red line in the thermometer, the hotter your temperature is.
Chili is definitely too hot, but I don't think you have a fever. You just aren't used to being indoors in warm places. Emperor penguins just like you all have fat and feathers too. That's to keep you warm, you know, when you play out in the snow. Sledging down the icy hill, you don't ever feel the chill. You have lots to keep you warm, even in a big snowstorm. Yes, it's true what I've been told. Where you're from, it's very cold. In the Antarctic, you are not. Now you're feeling far too hot. Just to keep you cold and nice, we've made you this coat of ice. This will keep you nice and cool when you're feeling hot in school.
This coat is made of ice, which is just water that is frozen solid. It will help to cool you down.
That's much better. Look how cool you look. Here comes Henrietta Hen.
Did you know that hens are omnivores, which means that as well as eating seeds and vegetables, they also eat insects and small animals like mice?
What seems to be the problem? Look! Henrietta's laid 4 eggs, but they're all different shapes and sizes and not at all the right shape for an egg. I think Henrietta has forgotten what shape egg she needs to lay. Robbo, shall we try and remind her? Henrietta Hen, what shape eggs have you laid? Square, circle, triangle, rectangle. Henrietta Hen, what shape eggs have you laid? Square, circle, triangle, rectangle. Henrietta, what's the right shape egg? It's an oval, an oval. Oh, my friend Henrietta, you lay lovely eggs. But what is the right shape? Can anybody guess? Is it a square?
No, that's not right.
Is it a circle?
Close, but I'm not ready to bite.
Is it a triangle? Is it a rectangle? No, it's an oval, an oval. Henrietta Hen, what shape eggs have you laid? Square, circle, triangle, rectangle. Henrietta Hen, what triangle, rectangle. Henrietta, what's the right shape egg? It's an oval, an oval.
Henrietta has laid a perfectly shaped egg.
So now we know that oval is the right shape for an egg. Hello, Sarah. Shall we take a look at you? I promise I'll be gentle. Let's have a look. Sarah, your tummy looks very big. Have you been eating too much? Let's have a listen to your heartbeat. Well, listen to that. You have 4 heartbeats and a large tummy. Does anyone know why Sarah might be feeling unwell? She's pregnant and she's about to give birth. Let's count how many kittens Sarah gives birth to. 1, 2, 3. 3 beautiful kittens. Well done, Sarah. You're a mummy. Here's Colin the chameleon. Chameleons are a special type of lizard. And did you know that the tongue of a chameleon can be longer than its entire body? Now then, Colin, what can we do for you? A chameleon has special skin, which means they can change colour to blend in with their background. This is called camouflage. Let's test it out, shall we, Colin? Hey guys, meet Robbo.
Hello, everyone.
Robbo is my friendly robot helper here in the treatment room.
That's right. I've got all of the tools that we need to help the animals feel better again. I can even use my tickling stick.
Robbo, please can you swap the colours of the backgrounds for Colin and we'll see if he can change to the right colour.
Red.
This is red. But oh dear, look, Colin has changed to blue.
Yellow.
This is yellow. But Colin has changed to red.
Green.
This is green. But Colin has changed to orange. There's definitely a problem here. Robbo, I think Colin needs to relearn which colours are which. Red, orange, yellow, green, 4 of the colours of the rainbow. Blue, indigo, violet, 3 more to make the full set. So Colin, you must not forget all the lovely colours of the rainbow. You can change red, blue or green and all the lovely colours in between. Red, orange, yellow, green, 4 of the colours of the rainbow. Blue, indigo, violet, 3 more to make the full set. So Colin, chameleon, don't you know you can match the colours of the rainbow? Red, yellow, green and blue. What an amazing thing, oh what a lovely thing, what a wonderful thing you can do. Now, let's test you again, Colin.
Red.
Well done, Colin. We can hardly see you. You're red.
Yellow.
Excellent work, Colin. You're now yellow.
Green.
Perfect. You got all 3 right, Colin. You're now a lovely shade of green. It looks like you're all cured. Fantastic. Here comes Jake the spider.
Some people think that spiders are insects, but that's not true. Spiders are actually members of the arachnid family.
Oh dear, Jake. It looks like you're limping on one of your legs. What happened? That sounds like a nasty fall. Let me take a look at that for you. Robbo, I think we need to take an X-ray of one of Jake's legs.
One X-ray coming right up.
Spiders don't have bones like you and me. They are arthropods, which means their skeleton is on the outside. This is called an exoskeleton. If you look, you can clearly see here that poor Jake has broken one of his legs. I think we need to put that leg in a cast, which will give it the support it needs whilst it heals. Whilst Robbo is putting Jake's cast on, shall we count how many legs Jake has? He's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 legs. All spiders have 8 legs. That's you all fixed, Jake. Now don't climb any walls or water spouts for 2 weeks and try to get plenty of rest.
Many people think that goldfish have trouble remembering things. This is actually not true. Goldfish have memories that last 3 months. I do hope Lucy remembers what she's come here for today.
Hi, Lucy. How can I help you today? Stop, Lucy, before you hurt yourself. I think I may know what's wrong, but I need your help, Robbo. I think Lucy needs an eye test. Please can you get some words up on the screen for Lucy?
One eyesight test coming right up.
Lucy, can you read this? Don't worry, Lucy. K-R-A-B spells crab. Let's try another. Never mind, Lucy. Sh-a-l spells shell. I know. Robbo, I think Lucy has a problem with her eyesight. Can you please fetch the reading goggles? Try these out, Lucy. They're super special goggles that make you see better. Sometimes humans need to wear glasses to help them see better too. A perfect fit. Let's see if that makes a difference. That's right, Lucy. F-I-sh spells fish. Well done. I think you just needed a pair of glasses, didn't you? What a fabulous day in the treatment room. To watch more videos, just tap here, or to subscribe to Toddler Fun Learning, you can tap here. See you next time. Bye!